Hey, posting daily until y'all realize I have the best.
Let's talk about it, y'all. You do not need to have a glued install for it to look bomb. You can wear glueless wigs. This goes back to my glue can make you have an allergic reaction video. You do not have to wear a lace frontal glued for it to look bomb. Didn't she look bomb? My priority as a hairstylist is always to show you how to make wigs work for you. Didn't she look bomb? Yes. Because sometimes the maintenance of a glued install is not for everyone. Some people can take the perimeter of their hair out and it will still look good. I just want to drill that into everybody's head. It can still look good. So moral of the story is get informed, okay? And figure out what type of wig you're comfortable wearing. Glueless, closure wigs, frontals. I'm gonna make a whole separate video on like what is what.